So, do you like my background? Is it good or not? It is good, but this is not my original background. This is my original background. So, this is my original background. Do you want to change your background like this? Please follow all these steps which I will tell you in this video. So, let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you really bored from your old background which you use for every video? Today I am here with solution. You can easily change your background using your laptop. For this we just need green screen which I have already ordered from online store. So let's unbox it. Then we will use it and I will tell you how we can change our background. So let's go. So this is our green wallpaper. So let's unbox this and then we can see that then we will install on our background to change it. So using this we can change our background easily. So this is 10 by 10 wallpaper which was ordered few days ago. Let's see this. So this is 10 by 10 wallpaper. So we will use this on our background, then we can change our background using it. So the paper is really very good. You can see this the quality of the paper which is very good. So let's install this on our background, then I will show you that how we can change our background. Let's go. Change your background using many softwares, but currently I am using World Share Filmora software. So I will tell you how you can change your green wallpaper using this software. So first you have to insert your video with green wallpaper, and we need one wallpaper for background. So let's select first green video, just like I have added this video, and this is my wallpaper. So first we need to insert wallpaper here. You can see. Then we need to insert our video. Here is our video and this is our wallpaper. So increase length of your wallpaper till you have your video. Then you can see that our video. Double click on video and select Chroma key. So here you can see that our green background is removed easily. Now we have to adjust our offset. Here we go. You can see that green background is removed, and there are some other options you can use also this if you want, just like shadow, edge, beautiful. So the background is removed. Here you can see this. In this way you can easily change your background. So if you have any questions, if you have any problem, you can ask me in this video. You can comment, so I will reply you. Thank you.